Now, I showed you this binary code. Now, does anyone read binary? No? Okay. Well, I'm going to translate this binary for you. So this binary translates into ASCII text as Museum, and on behalf of everyone, all the staff from here, from us at SM8, we would like to offer you our biggest congratulations and a few gifts to wish you on your way. So, the good thing is, it doesn't ruin the rest of my slide, because obviously you have to process that string of 1 and noughts and come out with an answer. So. I'm so glad that was a yes. Otherwise it ruined the goodness.